Nature is a temple in which living columns sometimes emit confused words. When you say, control freak, and, OCD, and, organized, that suggests someone who's cold in nature, and I'm just not. Man is fully responsible for his nature and his choices. A drunkard in the gutter is just where he ought to be, according to the fitness and tendency of things. I hold grudges, but I can't hate nobody, that's not my nature. We should attempt to bring nature, houses, and human beings together in a higher unity. In nature, there is no separation between design, engineering, and fabrication. The bone does it all. Human nature is potentially aggressive and destructive and potentially orderly and constructive. I think our society has sort of built this gender binary, and the way we've said it exists does not really exist in nature. Our ideas must be as broad as nature if they are to interpret nature.